Hello my Sidra family and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to trade and exchange the Sidra tokens, that is the SDA tokens, to USDT on SidraDex at a very high rate. SidraDex is a decentralized exchange on the SidraChain network where you can exchange your Sidra tokens to USDT fast, secured, and in very simple and easy steps. But before we proceed, I will say if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button to stay subscribed and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post good videos as this. And don't forget to also share this video to your friends and crypto enthusiasts out there at the end of this video if you find it any form of informative or helpful to you. Thank you very much. Now let's proceed. The next thing you're going to do is to navigate to the SidraDex app where you would be doing this trade. Good. And how to do that is I will go to my Chrome. You can use Firefox also or Safari, a very good browser. Good. When your Chrome opens like this, you just go to this URL, SidraDex.app. Yes, the URL is SidraDex.app. Don't worry, I will place this URL on the description of this video. So anytime you want to exchange your SDA tokens, your Sidra tokens to USDT at very sweet rates, quickly come to this description, check for the URL, you see there, copy it and go to your browser, either your Chrome or your Safari or Firefox, any good browser you have, paste it in there and navigate to the swap desk where you would exchange your tokens, your SDA tokens to USDT. So once you've entered it like this, the next thing you do, you click on enter to navigate to the DEX. Beautiful. This is SidraDex. And on SidraDex, the next thing you're going to do is to connect your wallet to SidraDex so you'll be able to take these trades on the DEX. And how to do that is you click on connect wallet button to connect your wallet, or if you don't want to connect your wallet, you can also make a direct deposit to your trading app on SidraDex. All you need to do is you click on this hamburger sign here. You will see deposit, you click on it and there you will see fund your account, and it will still give you the first option, which is connect your wallet, which is the easiest for you to just click on and input your phrase and connect your wallet. But if you don't want to do that, you come down to direct deposits. You understand? Just scroll it down. You understand? Yes, to this place you will see deposit address. You just click on copy to copy this deposit address and go to your wallet and make a direct deposit of SDA tokens. That's the only thing you have to send to this address, to this wallet address. It will be deposited right into your trading account for the exchange you want to make. And also I would like to point it out, because if you read on this side, you see they stated it there somewhere down here. Okay, please, once you make a direct deposit to this address here and it confirms on channel and the money has dropped into your account, please don't send tokens again to that wallet address. It's no more valid. What they do is once a deposit is confirmed on chain on a particular wallet, it becomes invalid. That is the way they guarantee security of your assets too. So when the next time you want to make any other deposit, a fresh wallet will be generated for you here. So you just come down here and copy the fresh one to make the fresh deposit in. That's how it works. So okay, good. But for me, I would not be making a direct deposit. I prefer to connect my wallet directly on the site so that I can trade directly inside my wallet. You understand? So all I need to do is click on connect wallet. You can click on any one, either this one here or the one up. Just click on connect wallet. Good. You see it asks for wallet mnemonic phrase. So let's see what the other one will even show us. Let's hide a bit. Let's click this one up here, connect wallet. Okay, they're the same things, just different interfaces. Okay, let's use this one. We are here already. So the next thing you need to do is you enter your wallet 12 word mnemonic phrase, your passphrase up to your wallet where you have your SDA tokens. You enter it here. I have mine copied already on my clipboard. All I need to do is to click on this box here. Then I'll press on it and click on paste to paste in my phrase. Good. And once I've pasted in my phrase like this, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on Connect Wallet. Good. Beautiful. Good. You can see my wallet has connected. Okay, now this one has changed to go to exchange. Good. Okay, yes. Once you connect like this, let me show you. I have some tokens in my wallet. This is my wallet. Okay, yes, SDA tokens that I want to exchange. I have 12,549.8 SDA tokens, and the USDT have your 6,079. So I'm going to be exchanging 10,000 of this SDA to USDT for this video. Good. So that is that about my portfolio. So I want to trade. The next thing I'm going to do is you click on go to exchange. Go to exchange. Good. And you set here, this is where you set your parameters. Now it's on SDA and USDT is correct. That's what I want to do. So I'll go ahead and enter the amount of SDA I want to exchange here. I will put I want to do 10,000. Yes, 10,000 SDA. Good. And this 10,000 SDA will give me 8,300 USDT. Good. Exchange rate is 1 SDA is 0.83 USDT. That's 83 cents. Slippery tolerance and SDA fee, those are the other calculation, network fees and everything. So once you've entered it like this, next you're going to do is to click on swap SDA to USDT to do the exchange. It's very simple and fast like that. I'm going to click on it and then wait for it to swap. Beautiful. It's easy, simple like that. You can see the transaction hash has been generated. Okay, yeah, it has gone off. We have successfully done the swap. We've swapped the 10,000 SDA tokens to USDT, and let's go back to my wallet to see what we have there now after a successful swap. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now you can see I now have 2,549.5 SDA left in my wallet. Remember, it was 12,549 plus some other fractions. I think the network fees took the other fractions. That's what I had before, and I swapped 10,000 of it, so I have 2,000 left, and I now have 14,379 USDT in my wallet now. Good. It was 6,000 something if you remember. Now it's 14,000. So that 8,000 plus I got from this swap has been added to my USDT wallet, and it's right here inside my wallet. That is how this thing is done. That is how it's done. It's that easy, simple, and fast to do. And that is that for that. That brings us to the end of this video. So if you want to swap your USDT, your SDA, your Sidra tokens to USDT, kindly follow these steps. It's this easy, this simple, and this fast. You will swap yours. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video also. Let all the Sidra community members who have SDAs and looking for where to exchange them for a very good rate come here to SidraDex app and do this. This is directly on SidraDex blockchain. It's directly on SidraChain blockchain. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.